When rapid growth is in demand, what product is built to expand your imagination? Introducing xTool F1 Ultra. It's born to be ready. Place your materials in and click the button. For the first time, we integrated a 20-watt diode laser and elevating your career to new heights with enhanced productivity and expertise. With microbeam technology, we have made the working area of the desk With the built-in smart camera design and our powerful software, you can instantly preview your work at once and autofocus it xTool machines can handle. We pushed the boundaries further this time. It's the real game changer. With an extensive working area of 500 millimeters by 220 millimeters, you can easily process large materials in one go. It's the only desktop laser machine with the largest working area on the market, along with a fully enclosed design, making it safe to use at all times. No more hustling and waiting, especially for in-store the next level. xTool F1 Ultra, ultra productive, ultra easy.